Hi, AT from CNC at Home. Now that we have the air assist installed on the laser, I want to try some experiments to see if it really does any good or not. I'm going to get the air assist tube aligned with the laser dot, and I'm going to burn some lines. This is going to be at 250 millimeters per minute, and I'll do some lines at 500. I'll make 3 passes, 2 passes, and then 1 pass of each. We'll see how they turn out. So here we can see the speeds and the number of passes. Didn't get anywhere close to cutting through the material, so let's try something else. Let's try burning these a little bit slower, and we'll do multiple passes again. We'll just get the laser realigned, make a few parameter changes, and do another burn. Okay, here we see the results. It looks like it did burn a little bit deeper into the material. You can see that on the edge here, how it's gotten about halfway, maybe a little bit more through the material. Also, the burns are looking very clean, which is nice. What I've done here is I've taken the focus of the laser and I've moved that down into the material to see if that helps us with the burn. I'm doing the same parameters as the previous burn. So both of these are 100 millimeters per minute. I've done a 3-2-1 and then a 5-4-6. See how deep we got there with the 5 passes? Almost all the way through. That was the best burn so far. And actually it's the best for this entire experiment. I want to try an experiment now with the air assist off. So I'm going to be doing some burns like I did a couple times ago, and we'll see what that looks like. We've got 100 and 200 millimeters per minute. Look at that orange yuck on there. That's what you normally get when you burn with a laser. With the air assist on, it's virtually eliminated. Here we can see without the air assist, and if we come over where I was using the air assist, look how clean these lines are. There's hardly any of that amber scoring from this particular burn, or these particular burns. And over here where the air assist off, yuck. So it's at least doing that for us. Now I focused a little bit deeper into the material, and I'll do some multiple burns here, and we'll see if we can get through down to the bottom. So I've done 4, 5, and 6 passes. This is at 100 millimeters per minute. And that 6 passes looks like it's gotten pretty deep, but it still didn't get through. I want to try doing some etching. I forgot to refocus the laser so it's still focused deep in the material. I want to see what this looks like with and without air assist. So I'll refocus the laser and try that again. I'm getting a much cleaner burn this time with the air assist on. Looks really good. Now with the air assist off, you'd expect it to have that kind of amber cast to it. It turns out that it didn't. So in this case, it didn't really help us either way. I want to try cutting a piece of paper. Now white paper's always been an issue because the laser doesn't always burn through it well. Because it's white, it reflects too much off. I have the air assist on, and the downdraft ventilation is holding that paper nice and still. We'll let this burn finish. It didn't turn out as well as I had hoped. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And if you enjoy this type of video and the content of our channel, think about subscribing. It really helps us. Enjoy doing your CNC at home projects.
groups